Hey there, maintenance pros. Today, I want to talk about something that can truly transform your work life. CMMS, or Computerized Maintenance Management Systems. If you're in construction maintenance, you know how challenging it can be to keep everything running smoothly. First, let's dive into some common pain points. You're juggling countless tasks, from equipment repairs to routine inspections. Keeping track of all this manually? It's a nightmare. Paperwork gets lost, schedules slip, and crucial maintenance falls through the cracks. Now, imagine having a digital tool that streamlines all these processes. That's where CMMS comes in. With CMMS, you can easily schedule, track, and manage all your maintenance activities. No more missed inspections or surprise breakdowns. CMMS helps you stay ahead with predictive maintenance. It analyzes data from your equipment and alerts you before a failure happens. This means fewer unexpected downtimes and more efficient use of your resources. Plus, it keeps a detailed history of all maintenance work, so you can spot trends and make informed decisions. Let's talk about real-life application. I know a maintenance manager at a large construction firm. Before implementing CMMS, his team was constantly reacting to problems. Since switching, they've seen a 30% reduction in equipment downtime and a 20% increase in productivity. They're no longer putting out fires, they're preventing them. CMMS also simplifies compliance. In construction, adhering to safety standards and regulations is crucial. CMMS keeps all your records organized and accessible, making audits a breeze. You can generate reports with a few clicks, showing exactly what maintenance was done and when. And let's not forget the mobile aspect. With a CMMS app, your team can access everything they need on the go. Whether they're on-site or in the office, they have real-time information at their fingertips. This boosts communication and ensures everyone is on the same page. So if you're ready to transform your maintenance operations, it's time to consider a CMMS. Trust me, it's a game changer. Want to learn more? Head over to our website at www.micromain.com and see how CMMS can help your team work smarter, not harder. Thanks for watching.